Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Alfulela Safira and you can call me Ala. I'm from University of Insan Cita, Indonesia. Today, I would like to talk about social issue and I believe many young people can relate to. This issue reflects a conflict between traditional values and modern ideals of individualism, especially in the context of social media and the pressure to always appear productive. We live in an era where social media has become a major part of our daily lives. Almost everything we do, everything happen in our lives can be shared, recorded, and evaluating by others. Because of this, social media doesn't only function as a platform for communication but also space where social expectations are created and reinforced. One of the strongest expectation today is the idea that we should always be productive. Productivity is often portrayed as a sign that we were success, discipline, and self worth. On social media, many people share their daily routines, achievements, study sessions, work progress, and self improvement journey. While this content can be motivating, maybe it can also create pressure, especially for young people who are still trying to understand their own pace and prioritize in life. From a different perspective or a modern perspective, being productive is seen as something positive. Modern society values efficiency, ambition, or continuous improvement. Many people believe that if we are not constantly improving ourselves, we are falling behind. This mindset encourages individuals fill every moment of their time or their life with something useful. However, these modern ideals often conflicts with traditional values that emphasize balance, moderation, or inner peace. In many traditional cultures, life is not measured by how busy someone is. Instead, values such as rest, reflection, family time, or emotional well being are considered important. Traditional wisdom teach that life should be lived by a sustainable peace. I personally experienced this conflict through my interaction with social media. There was a time when I felt that my days were never productive enough. Even after completing my responsibilities, I felt uncomfortable resting. When I scrolled through my social media and saw others posting about their achievement or routines, I felt a sense of comparison. It seems like everyone else was doing more, achieving more, and managing their time and life better. This comparison slowly affected by how I viewed myself. I began to associate my self worth with how busy I was. If I had a slow day or choose to rest, I felt guilty. Resting felt like wasting time. This feeling didn't come from my environment directly, but internal pressure influenced by what I consumed online. At the same time, my family often remind me to rest, that resting is something normal as human or necessary part of life. They believed that constantly pushing oneself without taking a break could lead to burnout. From their perspective, being healthy both mentally and physically was more important than choosing choosing constantly appearing productive. This difference is pers- in perspective create an internal dilemma. On one hand, modern ideals encourage me to maximize my productivity and always strive for improvement. On the other hand, traditional values remind me to slow down and taking of myself. Choosing one side completely felt unrealistic. Ignoring productivity felt irresponsible, while ignoring rest felt harmful. The pressure to always be productive is not only personal but also social. In modern culture, being busy is often seen as a badge of honor. When people say they're busy, it is usually interpreted as a sign of importance or success. Meanwhile, admiring what we're resting or taking things slowly can sometimes be judged negatively. This mindset is reinforced by social media algorithm that prioritize content related to productivity and achievement. Over time, this creates a cycle where people feel needed to present idealized version of themselves. Even rest becomes something that need to look productive, such as productive rest or self-care routine. In traditional values, however, over a different way of viewing life in traditional setting, rest is not something that needs a justification. Taking time to relax, reflect, or simply enjoy quiet moment in is seen as a part of maintaining balance. Life is not a race, but a journey that could be enjoyed at a steady pace. Eventually, I decided to reflect on how this pressure was affecting my mental health. I realized that constantly comparing myself to others can was not helping to grow. Instead, it's created anxiety and dissatisfaction. This realization led me to reconsider my relationship with social media and productivity. I began to limit my exposure to content that made me feel pressured to always be productive. I also started redefining my productivity uh, instead of focusing on how much I did in a day. I focused on whether my activities were meaningful and sustainable. This decision didn't mean abandon ambition or self improvement. Rather, I mean setting realistic expectation and allowing myself to rest without guilty. Over time, I noticed positive change. I felt more focused, less anxious, and more present in my daily activities. However, making this change was not easy. Modern society constantly remind us to do more, achieving more, and move faster. Choosing balance require conscious effort and self-awareness. It also requires the courage to resist social pressure and divine success on our own terms. In my opinion, this decision was justified. While modern values or productivity and ambition are important, they should not dominate every aspect of life. Traditional values that emphasize balance and well-being remain relevant, especially in addressing mental health challenge faced by young people today. This experience taught me that progress doesn't always mean doing more. Sometimes progress means knowing when to pause. Integrating modern ambition with traditional wisdom allows individuals to grow without sacrificing their well being. In conclusion, the pressure to appear productive is a significant social issue in modern society. By reflecting on traditional values of balance and moderation, young people can navigate this pressure with more thoughtfully. Finding harmony between productivity and rest is essential for sustainable personal growth and healthy relationship with oneself. Thank you.